Waymo has grand ambitions to go and expand into the EU. Waymo on January 13th, 2026, met with Mark Nichols, the European Commission's head of for the internal market. What did they discuss that meeting? Self-driving vehicles and the EU individual approval scheme. Why is that so important? Because the Waymo vehicles are modified. And so in order to go into the EU with the modified vehicles, they have to go through a type certification. You say, well, how do they do that? Waymo has a partnership with TÜV Süd. TÜV Süd is recognized by the European Union, the European Commission, as a safety auditor. TÜV can quote unquote certify the vehicles for each one that comes in, and then these vehicles have to be done in batches. Well, then where does the next partner come in? Move. Move can register all the VIN numbers to all the safe things for EU, and Waymo has the ability to scale. It's really brilliant. And oh, by the way, Move now has a very big office in London. And furthermore, the inspector also uncovered on Waymo's job postings, Waymo is hiring a regulatory counsel. And when you read the requirements, must be admitted in the EU, must be proficient in EU laws and regulations pertaining to autonomous vehicles. The writing's on the wall. Waymo's going to the EU, and I'll make a prediction, Walt. First city Waymo does a road trip in the EU will be Paris.
There's your answer for the for those asking about, what about the international market? It's brewing. The storm is a brewing, and we'll probably get data points on that, throughout 2026.